Welcome back to the channel. What I think is the August drop for Crate Club was delivered today. For me, Crate Club has really been hit or miss, and this will be the drop that I'll decide to keep or cancel the subscription. They are a mystery box subscription service that offers different levels and prices for their boxes. I subscribe to the lowest level, or Lieutenant, for $60, including shipping and tax. Let's check it out. First up is a water test kit from Aquajenks. This is their E. coli and total coliform water quality test kit, and no electricity, lab, highly trained analysts, cold chain, or expensive, complicated equipment is required. It has a 3-year shelf life of growth medium, and it meets World Health Organization guidelines for drinking water quality. Pretty cool. Retails for about $14. Next is a pair of RFID blocker card sleeves. Nowadays, these are something we should all be using. Worth about $1 a piece. Up next are some pretty cool fire starter cards from Wazoo. They are a slim, lightweight fire starter tinder tool designed to fit in your wallet, pocket, backpack, or emergency kit. $14 for the 3-pack. We also have a mini bit set from Tactica, the M.250. It comes loaded with 12 of the most common screwdriver heads and a driver, allowing you to switch out tool bits on the fly, and a removable 2-inch extender. I had to take a hammer to it to slide it apart. $50 on their website. Last, we have another EDC-type pouch from DEF CON. It's a decent pouch, and retails for $20 on the BattleBox website. So, overall value is right at $100. I won't keep the pouch, not their fault, and I think the bit driver is a tad overpriced. Bottom line, Crate Club has survived another month. So thanks for checking in. Stay frosty and take care.